On a day-to-day basis, I work with our clients who are Fortune 500 executives, trying to help them navigate the world of artificial intelligence. What does it mean? There's a lot in the environment today around hype and what can AI do for their business. As an executive, I spend a lot of time in the boardroom talking about the art of the possible, but the engineer in me thinks more about, hey, can I actually do this? And so taking the time to come to Data Dojo and meet the folks here gave me the opportunity to immerse myself in the things I talk about but don't often execute on. The environment in the classroom was one of focus. I believe that everybody was there to learn and immerse themselves. I think the instructors did a great job of challenging with questions and trying to push everybody on their comfort level of where they were. After 5 days, I think I've taken back some key learnings that I can bring back and refine the work that I've already done in the AI space. This week, being here and seeing the environment really proved to me that there's more that we can do in that space. You don't have to be an engineer or a programmer to approach this topic. So I think it's well suited for those folks who don't have that underlying background to really come in and open the door and their eyes to the world that's possible.